So in this video over here, I showed you how you can actually buy my course and enroll in those courses. Okay, but the method of whereby you have to click on add to cart, enter your details, pay, and then get access might seem a little bit hard and it's time consuming for some of you. Okay, but actually there's actually another way you can actually enroll in my courses, and you have to contact me. When you contact me, I will ask you to visit this link, which is the student registration. So when you contact me manually, I'll ask you to visit this link, and what I'll ask you to do is I'll ask you to fill in this form. Okay, create an account. When you create an account, I'll ask you to send me your email address, and when you send your email address, okay, I'll log into my website and I'll enroll you manually. Okay, so in that way you have to pay me manually, like using mobile money or any other ways. But if you'd like to enroll directly and have instant access there and then, you can go through the website and you'll be requested to pay online. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to show you how to get access. You can watch this other video, or you can simply contact me and I'll guide you. But in this video I'm going to show you how to use my e-learning portal, how to use my website to access any course. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is that I'll ask you to visit your dashboard. So click on the academy, click on student dashboard. So on student dashboard, this is where you'll be requested to log in. Okay, so for you to log in, it means that you've got an account, and it means that you've enrolled in some courses. So let me just log in to my account right away. Okay, so I have now logged in into my dashboard, and this is how the dashboard looks like. So on your left panel, okay, there will be your profile, your enrolled courses, wish list. So for wish list, these are courses that you would like to learn sometime later when you want. Then reviews, this is where you'll be able to see some reviews you've written. Okay, so what you need to do when you log into this website is click on enrolled courses. When you click on enrolled courses, you're going to see a list of courses that you've actually paid for and you can begin learning. Okay, so you're going to see a button saying start course. Okay, as for me, I've started all the courses. For example, this one here. So this one is saying start course. This one is saying continue learning because I've completed 4%. So in your case, it's going to be like start course. So let us say you paid for this course. Simply click on start course and wait for it to load. Okay, and this is your student dashboard, and this is how it looks like. So let me talk about what you are looking at here. On the left side, you'll be able to see the topics and the lessons. So a topic has got the lessons inside. So this is the first topic, and when I click on the first topic, like all the lessons disappears. So unfortunately, this course only has got one topic, but for the rest of courses, for example, the Forex course has a lot of topics, and you'll be able to see them on your left side. Then when I click on the first topic, you'll be able to see the lessons, and you'll be able to watch any lesson. But here's what you need to do. First of all, when you finish watching a lesson, okay, for example, if you reach the end, don't come back to the left and click on the next lesson. What you need to do is, first of all, mark as complete by clicking here. When you mark as complete, okay, you'll be able to see your progress like where you ended. So mark as progress, then you click on next. Okay, if you forgot to mark your progress, simply click on previous, or if you've not understood in the previous lesson, click on previous. Okay, but what should you mark as complete? Well, this is going to help you know where you have ended. For example, when I click on mark as complete, you're going to see a tick here that I've completed this course. So next time when you log in, you'll be able to know that I actually completed this course and have to start with the next one. Okay, the other reason why you need to mark as complete is because when you mark all lessons as complete, all topics as completed, okay, you're actually going to receive a free certificate. Okay, and this is just a certificate that you can actually show off to your friends and say, I completed this course and I'm able to do this and this and that and that. Okay, so some courses of mine they have got questions that you need to answer. Okay, but how do you answer those questions? So let me try to go back to the course which has got questions. So how do you exit? So you can exit anyhow. You can click on back, but before I exit, there's this button saying Q&A. This means question and answer. So you can ask questions while you're learning, or you can simply contact me and ask questions. Then on the announcement, this is where you'll be able to see announcement. Okay. Then to enter into full screen, simply click on this arrow and you're going to enter into full screen. So what I've shown you now is how you can actually learn when you're actually using a computer or a laptop. So in this case, what about when you're using the phone? So let me try to get my phone right now. Okay, so this is my phone. First thing first, click on the menu, click on student dashboard. Okay, so that's on the phone. Scroll down and simply log in. So let me log in since I already have an account. Okay, I've logged in successfully. So all you need to do is click on enrolled courses. Then when I click on that, simply have to scroll down, and here are the courses that have been enrolled. Then let us say I click on continue learning. Okay, here simply click cancel. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the phone. Okay, so you'll be able to see. So formatting as complete. Okay, so when you're done watching this lesson, click on mark as complete. On mark as complete, then click on the next button, the button on my right, okay, below corner. To go back to the previous lesson, click on previous. Then to see the lessons, simply scroll down. So you'll be able to see the lessons below. Like you can scroll, or you can scroll again, and you'll be able to see all the lessons. And you'll be able to see the topics as well. So to go to topics, click on the minus, then you choose the topic you want to view the courses from. Click on the plus, you'll be able to see the courses, the lessons I mean. Click on patterns, you'll be able to see the lessons in the pattern topic. Okay, then I've now gone back to the course dashboard. So this is how you do it. Now for the answering questions part, let me go back to okay, so that's how you do it. So if I've got any questions, feel free to ask and I'll greatly help you. So you can contact me right now to get access to my course. Bye for now. This is Keith Renz. Okay.